Okay guys, so this is the guessing game. We just run it via command prompt or PowerShell. It loads. So now you are given a set of instructions to follow. So now guess a particular number, so let's just say 8. And we're told that okay, our guess is actually greater than the random number. So let's say let's try 6 now. We're still wrong, it's still greater than, let's try 4. We lost. The number was actually 1, it was that far away. Alright, let's say yes, play another round. Let's try 7, greater than, let's try 5, greater than, let's try 3. This time it was 2. Okay, let's try again. Let's try the one now, 5. Okay, 5 greater, let's try 7. Same greater than, we have one more chance left. Oh, okay, I actually kind of missed it. Let's try 4. Lost again, it was 2. Hey, bad luck. Let's try again. 6. 6 is greater than the actual number. Let's do 3. Finally, correct. Before we move on, let's now check our history. Right, so now we see our history above 1 win, 3 losses. Alright, let's play again. Yes. 8 is greater than the actual number. So let's say 6. Still greater, let's say 4. Last chance. Yeah, we lost it. So 3. Let's play again. Let's try and be more practical. Greater than, okay, let's try 3. Correct. Let's go again. Yes. 8, 4, correct. Now we're hitting it. Let's quickly check our history from this side. Then we see our history. 3 wins and 4 losses. Now let's just balance it out. Okay. Greater than 5. Less than 6. Alright, so then if you want to play again, just click. Just check our history once more. 4 close, yeah, 4 wins, 4 losses, and you can just simply say no. Oh, sorry, that was an error. It's no, and yeah, close. So that's it.